So the Mechanical Systems major is part of the 3-year undergraduate degree. Once a student has completed the Mechanical Systems major, they are then eligible to go on to do the Master of Mechanical Engineering. The Master of Mechanical Engineering is a 2 to 3 year degree. So if you're coming in with a Mechanical Systems major, you can complete it in 2 years. But if you are coming in from more of a non-engineering background, then maybe it will take up to 3 years. So what's on offer at the University of Melbourne is some really excellent fundamental aspects that underlie a lot of the courses and subjects. So this equips our students with highly practical and very relevant skills that they can take with them throughout their career. We have a lot of hands-on labs that you can do, both in undergraduate and throughout the master's degree. Another great reason to do the Mechanical Systems major here at Melbourne is the calibre of the teaching staff and the research staff. So we have world-class researchers and really excellent lecturers, and so you'll be learning from really top-notch lecturers throughout your degree. So the students have the opportunity to do a lot of hands-on labs, even coming in first year. They have the opportunities to work in groups, which I think they really enjoy and learn a lot, and just opportunities to become better problem solvers and more independent thinkers. So students really like the versatility in the degree, especially in the Mechanical Systems major and then going on into the Master of Mechanical Engineering. So I think that's true when you think about where our students go after the major. We have students popping up in healthcare, in biotech, in a wide range of different fields, as well as the more traditional mechanical engineering fields. Another thing that students really love about the courses, I think, is it's a little bit of a challenge, some of the courses. It really pushes the students' boundaries a bit, but of course they learn a lot and they become really motivated and I think just become better critical thinkers by the end of it. The undergraduate is a 3-year degree, and if you do the Mechanical Systems major, that means you have all the fundamental knowledge to then move into the Master of Mechanical Engineering, which you can then complete in 2 years. So across the 5 years, students get the opportunity to do a lot of different subjects, including a lot of breadth, so subjects outside kind of the core discipline of mechanical systems or mechanical engineering. So a lot of the global challenges that we're facing at the moment tend to be interdisciplinary, and so if students come and have kind of more of a breadth in terms of the subjects that they can choose throughout their undergraduate and master's degree, that really gives them the skills and the knowledge to be able to focus in and start combating some of these global challenges. So another benefit of doing the mechanical engineering pathway here at the University of Melbourne is that by the end of it you will be an accredited mechanical engineer, meaning that you will be able to work both in Australia and in a lot of different countries overseas. So there's a lot of exciting opportunities on offer in the master's degree. So first and foremost, there is more interaction with industry. So if the student wants to do, say, an internship, there's opportunities to do that with industry. Another really exciting part of the master's degree is basically the really enriching engineering courses that we have on offer, so very highly specialised courses for the students. Students finishing up their master's degree have the opportunity to do a capstone project, so this is kind of a more independent, could be a research project, an industry project. So recently we had some projects coming through. Some students were looking at airflow around a dinosaur wing. Students were looking at creating a cheaper autonomous underwater vehicle than others available on the market. So there's just a huge range of really exciting projects up for grabs in your capstone year. The job prospects for mechanical engineering graduates are excellent. So I think it's fair to say even amongst the engineering disciplines, mechanical engineering has a very stable profession in terms of job demand. We're always going to need mechanical engineers. So some examples that come to mind are we've got graduates going into car manufacturing, aerospace, defence, and then wider fields such as healthcare, biotech, really exciting things that you might not quite think of straight away, things like fashion, so designing new materials for the fashion industry. Mechanical engineers are also able to start thinking about and solving some of the world's more global challenges. So we have a need for mechanical engineers to think about problems such as future sustainability and climate change effects.